Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and let me show you how you can rotate the screen on this device. So once folded, it does not rotate, so you can also only use it in a vertical way. Then when you open it, you can rotate your screen left, you can rotate it right. You just cannot use it upside down. As you can see, it will not rotate here. So you've got several ways to use it. Obviously, you have to have this auto rotation active, otherwise you will not be able to rotate it anyhow. So once you want to use it in a different way, make sure to have this auto rotate active, and now you can use it however you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.